Is your Galaxy S26 speaker suddenly got completely silent? No music, no ringtones, just total quiet? Don't panic. It might be a quick setting fix. Let's get your audio back right now. First, make sure it's not connected to any Bluetooth device. Otherwise, the sound will play through that device instead of the speaker. Also, swipe down the control panel and make sure Do Not Disturb is off. And then press your volume rocker and ensure media, system, and notification volumes are all turned up. In case if your volume button is grayed out, Mute All Sounds might be on. Go to Settings, scroll down to Accessibility, then Hearing Enhancements. Scroll down to Mute All Sounds, and if it's on, just turn it off. Go back one step. Scroll down and check if the phone's speaker balance is set to right at the middle. Still no luck? Let's clean the speaker grills with a soft brush to remove dust. You can also search on any browser to play 165 Hz sound video. Put the volume at max and just play the video so that it vibrates out any trapped debris or water. A hardware check. Open your phone app and dial *#0*# to open the hidden test menu. Tap Speaker to play a test tone. Tap twice, one after the other, so you can test both the upper and lower speakers. There's another built-in option to test hardware issues. Open Settings, scroll down to Device Care, then scroll down to Phone Diagnostics and tap on it. It will start the overall diagnostics. You can go on with this, or press the back button, Stop Diagnostics, find out Speaker in this list and test only the speaker diagnostics. Tap on it, then tap on Play to first test in Call Speaker. Make sure to hold it near your ear, then select Yes or No depending on your experience. After that, test the Media Speaker and select your choice. If the speakers work in both the tests but not in apps, go to Settings, scroll down to General Management, tap on Reset, scroll down and hit Reset All Settings, and just go ahead and reset settings on your S26. If there's no hardware issue with the speaker, any combo of these fixes will definitely solve your speaker issue. Thanks for being with us.